Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jantek Industries product showroom. My name is Kellen and today we're going to be taking a look at our basement hopper window, which is going to be right here by my side. What we're going to do, as always, we're going to break down the window into three parts. First being the frame, then we're going to talk about the operation, and then I'm going to talk about some things that you as a homeowner can add on to your window that you purchase from Jantek Industries. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the interior here of our Jantek Industries basement hopper window. So as you can see, all four corners of the frames are fusion welded together along with the sash. So this is a simple window. 9 out of 10 times we're gonna see people put this in a basement opening. So if you wanna make sure you can vent your window, we have our lock functionality right here. You just pull this down and tilt the sash in. It opens about to this angle. As you can see, it's going to expose your weather stripping here, which you have on both sides, the exterior and interior of the sash, and that performs as a better sealant from the exterior. Window shuts, as you can see. If you ever need to take the sash and lift it down for cleaning, you can do that. You just lift it up slightly, and then you can guide it down here and let it hang. So as you can see now, the weather stripping is all on either side of the sash, on the interior and exterior, all the way around the window. And you can see your fusion welds here. The sash will lift back up and you can tilt it right back in. Okay, with the sash hanging down fully out of the window frame, you can see here that it will come equipped with an aluminum frame screen. In the sash and frame, you have your weep systems on either corner, and of course your weather strips that go all the way around. So at this point, you can let the sash hang here. If you wanted to fully vent the window, to put it back, you just lift it right back up, put it back in the sash, make sure your arms are locked in, and it push it right through. All right, now we can take a look at an exterior view of our Jantek Industries basement hopper window. So again, you can see the frame fusion welded on all four corners. It has a space here for the custom made screen that would go and sit right in this frame, and then below here you have your weeps to drain any water. This is an example of what an AccuBonder color on the window would look. This is a Jantek Sable. This one in our showroom happens to have the color on it so you can see. Otherwise it would be white or any color that you specify for the exterior. All right, guys, that's been our look at the Jantek Industries basement hopper window. For more information on this window or any other window that we design, manufacture, and install here at Jantek Industries, make sure to check out the website. That's jantekwindows.com. Or always feel free to call or stop into the showroom and speak with us in person. My name is Kellen. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. And always remember to save energy, capture comfort.